Hey, it's me again. Just wanted to make a short video today, and what better place to post a short video than the one and only Instagram Reels? That's right,
The one, the only, the notorious
Instagram Reels.
slash YouTube Shorts, the never ending land. Anyways, just wanted to hop on here to celebrate my 1 week anniversary on YouTube. At the time of recording this, I think I literally have 6-7 total channel views and 2 subscribers, one of which is myself and the other is my real life friend. I'm literally so famous, right guys? To be honest, I was actually expecting way less, so a genuine thank you for the support, I guess. Thank you if you're watching this short. Bye.